Wagwan ENT.
No me rap and no me talk up and make me know me broad. When I sing me no me rap me know me, I be know me big. Alright boy, because make love to be Santa, make love to me. Make love to be Santa, make love to me. Me lay down in me bed, me lay flat for me back. My girl start to make love to me. Little up and that she a whisper to me. That's what the woman was saying to me. No me rap and no me talk up, me no know me. Welcome in to me.
Yeah, take it on, Barry G. Enough respect, Joe. Well, don't worry yourself jumping spots. I want to pay the massive junglist and all the man there. Reggae, don't worry yourself with that sweet massive man. Well, he's a Joe lick shot. Get a style. See, lick it Joe lick shot. I know you're licking the style.
A long time me and them apart, from them a youth. So me lick all kind of shot.
Enough respect, landlord.
85 dot.
Well tight, Papa Django. You know you're a big timer from Surf on it, man. Sure.
Class and diamond sound.
Well tonight,
every youth up from here now.
Man, well tight. See, well tight, Barry G NCC massive. So Michael's gonna see. Take it out. Hey! Stay. Let's do a session up at NCC. Guess who I play? Now what that team I play? A bucket girl, yeah, do the rubber dub. She said they put us in a drop with me tonight. Fella said come along now, my darling. She said she want to send me a slave. And I icy cold, I became. After she get to see a romance, give me the feel and over there. And she back and she with me over there. So she jam and she twist me over there. So she jam on me toto over there. And you're up on the chucho and that way. She said they put us in a take your back so. Well I said just the same thing with your dog. But it's the name is little Marlin. This little girl wants to be my dog. Bubbler, alright, this girl is a bubbler. Oh well, she's a champion bubbler. Hear me now, champion bubbler, grease no waistline now. Why that massive grease, no waistline now. Man, massive grease them waistline now. Then you do it. I need not to hear like me, raise your pole. Set on your belly and your backside the road. I used to roll, move up your foot like a Latin tool. One got to England, but the place too cold. They just play the police, want to freeze up my mole. Have a little sister, she really can sing. So you're looking for the school. Sing out that voice like a Catalan. Sing out my voice like a nothing. No business like music business, I know. But put us in a company. No business like what I mean. Barry G come for jam. She jamming from the right, she jamming from the left. Hey, but Barry G said that you must be dead.
Here's my brother.
Oh, Maccabee, Squidly. No long me no fool, me no mark like fool. Eat pan tape, me no eat pan stool. Come on, what that me no want full. Living to judge a rule. No touch his style, no touch his style. No touch his style, no touch his style. Say me and Dan Carlos a pass 3 miles. Stop me taking Kilimanjaro for a while. Catch John and him a touch his style.
I'll be telling the one. Last week Friday, find Junior Reid with an appointment for check out Janet Sinclair. Having a problem in him love affair. And I sing about the boy Junior gone bad 95, I tell you.
Yes, Mr. G, them can study we. Yes, Mr. G, them can study we. That is a Wah Dat rock. Oh, whoa, 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 come to the Wah Dat rock. Hey. Me no long, me no fool, me no mag like mule. Eat pan tape, me no eat pan stool. Come on, what that, me no want fool. Living up to Wah Dat rule. Ding 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 now, ding go. Ding 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 now, ding go. Wah Dat rock. Oh, whoa, 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 come to the Wah Dat rock. Oh, hey, come on, Wah Dat me happy rock. When me come on, Wah Dat me happy rock. And do the shakalaka rock. Oh, whoa, 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 come do the shakalaka rock. Now stick the coke, now melt the rock. Now got to make me now go in no frack. Me do the Wah Dat rock. Oh, whoa, 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 come do the Wah Dat rock. Say up to Tarzan in the jungle just a rock. Say Tarzan in the jungle just a rock. And he call all the animals to rock. Come me say Jane but the monkey just a rock. Oh Tarzan go, oh whoa, 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 whoa. style. Falla fashion monkey. Say the border falla fashion monkey. Come on the dance, ma touch me style. Not spoil me style, not spoil me style. Say in my pocket it bring in the Kyle. Say bring in the most sexy child. Say don't come about you, my imitate. And my lyrics put food in your plate. Great is great, great you can't underrate. So no touch his style, no touch his style. No touch his style, no touch his style. Me no long, me no fool, me no mug like you.
I'll pull this one. Easy. Lyrics for sale. One Junior Reid. I'll pull the same shakala.
Flashy Barry G, them can study we. Band up late, double P and the 45. Double P, double and the 45. Ding boy, na ding boy. Na ding boy, na ding boy. When I long, when I fool, when I mag like you. Eat pan tape, when I eat pan stool. Come on, what I can I want food. Living up to what that food. What that rock. Oh, whoa, 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 come to the what that rock. Oh, me, hey, boom. Come on, what that make me rock. Ah, boom. Come on, what that jack me rock. To the what that rock. Oh, whoa, 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 come to the what that rock. Hey, oh. Now see the coke, now melt the rock. Now platter made me now go away no frack. Me to the what that rock. Oh, whoa, 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 come to the what that rock.
Double-edged style.
Chain and toss and in the dancing just a rock.
Double-edged style, gonna have this one.
Non-stop.
Robin, the part 2 for you, Junior Reid.
Oh, hey, oh, we go. Ding 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 now. Ding boy. Ding 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 now. Why the boy, boy? Why the boy, boy? Why the boy, boy? Why the boy? He go. Ding 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 now. Ding boy. Ding 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 now. The world of what that music on ya. Hey, ding ding boy. She keep me rocking with me dancer. April. She world of what that music on ya. Hey, ding boy. She keep me rocking with me dancer. April. So just be nice and hold your space, your space. I won't entertain no more disgrace. Out on the street, they call it ding ding boy, na ding boy. Me no long, me no fool, me no back like you. Eat pan tape, me no eat pan stool. Come on, what that me no want fool. Living up to what I tool. No touch his style, no touch his style. No touch his style, no touch his style. Them is a falla fashion monkey. I tell you about the falla fashion monkey. I touch his style, him I touch his style. No touch his style, no touch his style. Say in on my pocket, it breaking the Kyle. Make me get the most sexy child. Don't come but you I imitate. And my lyrics put food in your plate. Say great is great, great again on the rain. Say love child, that is what I'm an appreciate. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ding 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 now, ding boy, ding 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 now. No touch his style, no touch his style. No touch my style, no touch my style. No touch my style, no touch my style. You miss a falla fashion monkey. I tell you about a falla fashion monkey. Hey, girl, I want that music and yeah, well, Barry G just a flash it on the roots and culture. Hey.
All right, say the King Sound play. Big request the man called Reggae Bop and the man called Wayne Palmer. Otherwise known as Palmer too. What big request each and every one in the place. All man says the King Sound play. Boom! Black people I'm gonna feel away. I'm on Mac up in the microphone stand. Boom! Like a song called Wah Dat International. Boom! Big request the man called Corporal and Intelligent Posse. And we baby bang, gang, boom. Balang balang, eh. We baby bang, gang, boom. Balang balang, eh. Test the king, them want test the king, boom. Test the king, them want test the king. Ricky now you're sticking to the hit bunking. Tell them what that is the king in the ring. No sound we bring down with them back rhythm. When it comes to music, what that crown king. And with Barry G into the selecting. I'm on my copy, me do the mic talking. Me no rap up, me no skin up, me no grin. Say when I me attack them up, they call me the king. Precise timing and no rhyming. The lyrics when me flash me newly invent them, well you me know. Have a little girl, she know me call her Jacqueline. Teacher of a DJ man, me teach her to sing. Just the other day me say she come from foreign. She in a rental, she under peer Magdalene. Chain round and a camp and a finger ring. She say my capita know you at the engine. And when you come and dance you see the people skanking. She say my capita know you slim and you trim. Long time me no get some of your goodly loving. You me come for married with a private wedding. They want your passport because you're in a Brooklyn. Cause you know for DJ, you know how to sing. They don't pan the rhythm like a dance pan a limb. Suck on pan the rhythm like a tire pan rim. Ride this rhythm with precise timing. Anything me just said fish and no say rhyming. Anything me just said full of no say rhyming. Tell them Mr. Maka at the MC king. Just been a foreign me and a peer Magdalene. Now go come back, come and go pa me brethren. Now go come back, come and go pa me kitchen. Look how when me got up, me say that's how when me bring. People from me mouth they keep on rhyming. People in the dance they keep on skanking. Fish a carry fin, well me say tree carry limb. Bird can't fly and me say pan one wing. Ship can't sail man without the captain. Plane can't fly man without the engine. Channel say at the engine make the propeller spin. Tell them Mr. Maka come to wrap up the rhythm. Come Mr. Maka say me no wrap up nor skin. Boom! Test the king, them want test the king, eh?
Enough respect for Junior Reid showcase. They got no time to waste and tell again.
I'll make a presentation for one man called Junior Reid. They call foreign mind. Them style I dedicated to all our people that were foreign mind. I know say I go
worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind. If they must be blind. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind.
I'll make a question all Rastaman about the place.
The foreign
and all people know them culture.
Come and go. When some people go to foreign, they see things they never see before. And forget all about their prejudice. Like we live in support.
I'll big up to the intelligence posse.
Right now we start.
I know when I wrap up, I want to come and dance and teach you come.
Get you see? Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind.
Once and they want to buy power.
I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind. Look on me black, look on me shine. This is not a secret to keep in your mind.
I big up to the man called Reggae Bob.
Boom! Danny has been sing about the rewind. Foreign up Salem and Jamaica say line. Now cook the soup it up, me have me time. Me now mix me wash it up, me have me lime. Baby wash me
what is the me?
Some man done
come and dance.
Sun shoe shine.
Now we talk about reality.
The front line. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind. If they multiply. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them foreign mind. Hey, around the band me have mission.
I big up to all junglist.
Who said that Tony William man?
All uptown nights, all downtown nights. Kencut family. Waterhouse massive. All time man. I come counteraction style.
Ropin, Peter Ranks, Part 2 style, spread out scatter, well up a soup in the area. All the singers, just be nice. Ropin, Peter Ranks.
Welcome in Peter Ranks.
No respect Maccabee man, he's a skanking. Well, no respect to Miguel, all the time seen. Lord of His mercy, what that a hard sound for job? Hard sound for job. At the hard sound for job. What that is a hard sound for job? Why? Because you pick it up, lick it down, it bounce right back. Remember Peter Ranks on the microphone a chatter. Me DJ for Barnett and Jet Locker. Say rock on my baby, me say we not treat up. Say when the breeze blow, we just gonna lift up your back. If I had a sound drop, I want and do that. Junior Reid half 5, Peter Ranks him a chat. dancers. When you come in at the dance, that you know you are fair rock. What a hard sound for job. Come let me tell you what a hard sound for job. Boom, bam, bam. Some that are them white, some that are them black. Some you them head ball, some of my dreadlock. They come in at the dance, that you know them a fair rock. Come in at the dance, you fair rock. No stop, what that a hard sound for job. So let me tell you it's a hard sound for job. Yeah, because whether you're near me, say whether you're far, you coulda come in at your bus truck and put it on your car. You come in at the dance, no bother me no one thing me want go tell you, you fi buy out the bar. Cause hard sound for job. Come let me tell you what a hard sound for job. Lord, because in the dance when me fling me style, cause no one can stop me from go to 3 mile. Me mama send me out no figure by currency line. Yes, me make a mistake and me go by court not tile. Me said that she stuck to me up in a Wah Dat style. She say hey Peter, now she too wicked and wild. What a hard sound for job. What a hard sound for job. Lord, because you pick it up, lick it down, bounce right back. Now listen jungle Lord, oh we might go chat.
All I'm pulling Chris from the top. A request to my agent called Squidly, you know, channel. We come to thing called the session of my vision. And I can't wait down in the Bible. See, nobody feel no way, my brother. And I dedicate this one to the Queen, the Pope, Ronald Reagan. The session of my vision. Me say the dance of my vision. Me say the session of my vision. Dance of my vision. Me say me sit down on me yard in a meditation. Hear a post bell ring, get a call from Pam. She say Django come sign for this telegram. Me hold for me head, say me can't understand. But anyway me take it from the postman. But when me open it, it was from England. Natasha a give me a invitation. She keep in a session, she wanted ram. She get the Queen, the Pope and Ronald Reagan. She love DJ, especially Jamaican. Me reach England at 1:15. Me book in a hotel, say at Scotland. Tasha send a Rolls Royce, because me go session. Say when me reach me sight up the 3 pagan. She say what surprise, me say caution. The disco where you play name execution. Say and the operator him Satan. Him say him calling all DJ at the stand. When the Queen hold the mic, she a chant page a gun. The Pope whisper blood for admission. She pass it over to Ronald Reagan. Say war and contention him mention. And when them pass it over to Iman, say Iman pray for protection. Say again see me side the father send a lion. The 3 of them combinate for Iman. Me read 2 verse out of Revelation. Me give them Rastaman vibration. Me say them show down them arms, come in at the session. Say P is a pope, him come pay for hope. The Queen face always depend our note. So WAR it stand for war. Ronald Reagan driving a bulletproof car. If him was a man of peace, him ride bicycle bar. A star Reagan is a movie star. A star Reagan was a movie star. From the Pope forehead, him have 6 car. Him wear a cap hide it from the cleaner and star. A soldier them a come in at them armored car. Band boy a jump the fence a bust up SLR. And some of them a say Django black like tar. Me now follow them and go behind the bar. Me love when me herb it a bin cigar. You touch for me business, you will get a scar. And Mr. Django lad you have to reach far. The road where you walk on it is dark. And I pull it operator you. And I pull it operator you. Come in, Major.
Well, yes, Django. Well, greetings, Koda people. Take it down low, my selector. Take the music down low. Kind of where I go is like in the stage show. It's the last year I know. Well, listen, my major man, as the major general, I'm in a ramp on my left cam. Well, hold tight, sugar man, me as panel safe. Promotion masses. Easy man. Junior Reid, half pint. Well, big request to Barry G, cause the man you have a fling now and I music and lyrics and everything. Well, catch them style of Koda people, man. Lord. Big. Play by the sound called Wah Dat Disco. Big. Right? We don't have NCC Club. Bim. What this gon' catch a Chris lyrics? Boo. What this gon' catch a Chris lyrics? Boo. What this gon' catch a Chris lyrics? What I call me? Talking chemist, they call me talking chemist. Well, first, talking chemist, they call me talking chemist. Hear this, talking chemist, they call me talking chemist. When me pull up on the mic, I'm in chat for me. Cause this a DJ have a bag of lyrics. So me sit down on me yard and me really belly. And me come and Wah Dat Disco and me have to flash it. The people say
they hear it from the 2 to 6. In case you never know it at the super mix. Well, tell you Barry G can actual it. Well, you listen that the major just a fling down lyrics. When me come in at the session, make you jump and twist. You watch it, could have pass with them a bubble of them in. In at the session, me no run no race. Cause what that operator man, they call him Chris. Yeah, down in Jamaica have some good engineer. The youth call Maris and a Peter chemist. You have a next one called scientist. Cause them and they mix the music well, Chris. Well, listen that the major say me come famous shit. Talking chemist and call me talking chemist. Well, Chris, talking chemist and call me talking chemist. Cause brigadier originate the right hand rebate. But major man say originate the flashing machine. Along with the style called talking chemist. Cause me don't spark with no apprentice. But tell you them the youth, me say them don't walk late. As they hear the chemist lyrics and come and catch it. They come in at the session and they change that and this. I tell the code a pass it but a them belly. Boy, I that the major just a come and chat it. When they call me talking chemist and call me talking chemist. Wait for so talking chemist and call me talking chemist. Hear this talking chemist and call me talking chemist. When we come in at the session, me no chat no slackness. Cause this a DJ chat it in a public. And anywhere me come, me have to come and rock it. You come through the entrance, go through the exit. And you eat the carrot also they go turn it. And you eat the palm choke and they go all it is. And little after that it make you physical fit. Some of them a call with the DJ journalist. Jamana let me tell you cause we mash it well free. And you chat about that and then you DJ about this. Talking chemist and call me talking chemist. Talking chemist and call me talking chemist. Talking chemist and call me talking chemist. Cause this a DJ me not go run no race. Me chat about that and then me chat about this. And anywhere we go and we have fling down lyrics. I'll pull up me selector. Welcome in Junior Reid cause we wrap up.
Yes, Mr. Major Manzi. Well, big request to youth promotion. True one, you saying? Well, second, Mr. Minot. Well, big request to the youth called world of my dance speech nice. And the youth called Barry G. Hey, say this a poor man transportation. Say this a poor man transportation. Different one. Me no want no bus no car, me no want no blasted minivan. Me no want no bus no car, me no want no blasted minivan. Me say bicycle up in me transportation. Red from firehouse straight from the Walter. So take them out with me reach a channel one.
Load up a cassette, my brethren. Gina Reid a come.
Second Junior
Crucial 85 style.
Go along again Junior Reid man, cause we no wrap up.
Poor man transportation. Poor man transportation. Now I'll pull up a Nokia station for me poor man transportation. Ding ding now, ding go. No one no bus no cab, no one no blasted minivan. Oh no, hey, so Mr. Minibus driver, be careful how you driving with me. Minibus driver, be careful how you driving with me. That's why me love the poor man transportation. Ding ding boy, na ding ding boy. Me poor man transportation. Me no want no bus no car, me no want no blasted minivan. Me no want no bus no car, me no want no blasted minivan. Me say bicycle off in me transportation. Right from firehouse straight from the Walter. Go take the maps with me reach a channel one. Go sing a music it reach a number one. Me take the old road me reach a Tough Gang. Me take the red bridge me reach a Jews land. Take Spanish Town road, me reach up in land. For me poor man transportation. Ding ding boy, na ding ding boy. No one no bus no car, me no want no blasted minivan. Me no want no bus no car, me no want no blasted minivan. Me say bicycle up in me transportation. Right from firehouse straight from the wall. My mama say, take your time, young man. My mama she used to say, don't you rush to get home. That is what me mama say, bury it in your mind. My mama she used to say, take your time so. Yeah, she said now is the time for you to strive and do what you want to do. Hey, she was more like a beauty queen on a movie screen. Say no matter what do you mean, I am the one. the child is of my son. She said I am the one, but the child is of my son. You know what I gotta do? I gotta beat it, box it, boy. Jump it down, beat it and kick it, boy. Cause she's too bad, it's too rude. She kinda get me in a nasty mood. She can't beat it. Welcome in Squidly ranking, come and know say versatile.
All I'm playing, give me a brand new rhythm and things. Now sister called Otto, you want it right now, outside. See? Otto from Credtown, the beef, you want it outside, now they can't touch on you there. Barry G, don't worry yourself, you're safe, you know. Listen, Squidly ranking round the mic MC. Upper mix me down now, mix me down properly. Case I never know me and the top celebrity, but I can find put a little piece over tree. Don't call me no DJ, I'm a classic MC. Me sit up on the rhythm like a racehorse jockey. Run dance and me we can't party. Me go them all the DJ in a category. No, as fast can be that a natty passy elementary. As fast can be that a free passy. So listen, Squidly ranking round the mic MC. So come let me hear me from the jungle passy. Come let me hear me from the Johnstone passy. Now you keep down low, my selector. Give me a brand new rhythm, Barry G, man. Come on, so what I can wrap up.
He's the number brethren. Some man alone them can set to bet another Junior Reid.
So them something come again. Tell them, alright, right.
All I'm full it up, my selector. Because the Peter Mitchell in England now, we not take life easy. Have the most money.
Big request to the Statsman Massive, Cracktown Bubblers. Full style and style, you know. Cycle. Safe. Chief for time. Jump in. Clap it now I'm mixing me down. Say, yeah. Rebbe bang, the rebbe bang sting. Rebbe bang, the rebbe bang sting. We bother the rebbe bang sting. Inna the dance, ma feel learn style. Inna the dance, ma feel learn style. You should have seen me and all the posse. Them no wanna watch up, but now no cool and deadly. Don't want the style name as man scabby it name. Mash up body, me no wanna mash up body. Mash up body, me no wanna mash up body. Take down passing and no mash up body. Junglist passing and no mash up body. Run them body like say a taxi. Who are 15 favor over 50. Who are 16 favor over 60. Who are 17 favor over 70. Who are 18 favor over 80. Who are 19 favor over 90. Over 20 favor 100. Don't tell them body and them favor granny name. Mash up body, me no wanna mash up body. Mash up body, me no wanna mash up body. Put up your hand in flag, mash up body. Yeah, touch it up, man. Touch it up. Touch it up. And I drop one more style and then let's start. See? Cause those of them style I see them. So it can mix me down same way. Easy Reggae Bob. Easy BG. Peter Rance. He's big every time. Yeah, rebbe bang, sing, big, rebbe bang, sing, now, rebbe bang, sing. There was a trouble and problem and them hear me again. There was a trouble and problem and them hear me. Lada oh, no way, no they get and jobby. Lada oh, no way, no they get and jobby. The youth them in the ghetto have no ability. One thing with them no have no money. Everywhere you go we just no vacancy. You have to get a work lad in a factory. Take up the gun and commit robbery. Looking at yourself and think wisely. Don't go out there and commit robbery. Last place to reach down a Mifflin Cemetery. My abbreviation is VIP. Very important person in this country. From JPS we get electricity. The test letters is LOVE. Cracktown Passy why you scabby with me. Junglist Passy why you bubble with me. Tell you what you be maybe I didn't notice that. Lada oh, no way no they get and jobby. Lada oh, no way no they get and jobby. Maybe dub it in a A, maybe dub it in a B. Maybe dub it in a C, or kinda side A. Tell them a jobby me round the mic and see. Don't have a video of a big one go tree. Underneath it them sell cane and jelly. See the minivan them going to country. Going to Bamina, going to OG.
see the white tape and the Rio Grande. All of them come wine Jerry country. Kill them and you beat me flash them in a style. For me take off the A, half a archie. Me take off the N, half a naturality. Me take off the D, half of the K. Me take off the R, half a reality. Me take off the E, say half a E.T. Me take off the double of wealth and Irie. Me take off the B, half a Bob Marley. Me put them together and me get on Joby. Say my abbreviation is VIP. And my height it is around 4 feet 3. Say I as a youth, say my way 90. Me dub it on the mic, so I feel like me chat the was that time, me part BG. My part is a rank stars, me part C. Oh no, you know, yeah, you know, this is me. Yeah, this is classical.
Here's my version of In Away. One more dub play style.
Welcome me, Dan.
Where's the last time, though? Boom! Circle and Joby. So we did. Play by the mighty sounds called Wah Dat. So come up and your parent feel.
Brand new home to door.
Lord, galang, 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 galang. My name is Reggae, back me at your microphone stand. My name is Reggae, back me at your microphone stand. But lyrics, second.
I beg a piece of pie and a lip. Him say, please, Mr. Counselor, a little piece of me, I beg. Please, Mr. Counselor, a little something on my passport. Him say, please, Mr. Counselor, a little piece of me, I beg. Please, Mr. Counselor, a little something on my passport. Whoa.
The group called OMT4. So what I do it every time.
I hear the beat and I take my place. I stare the man straight in his face. Him check me out in a tone.
He's a lady and untouchable massive.
He make me happy think twice. Whoa.
Jump fence.
Boy, you must so. I never bring no job letter. Don't have no land title, sir. I don't have no bank account. I just the lyrics that me gold teeth mouth. Whoa. Please, Mr. Counselor, a little piece of me, I beg you, sir. Please, Mr. Counselor, a little something on me passport.
No request to the man called Barry G.
A little piece of me, I beg.
No request to the man called Macapi. Well, I want to dedicate to my parent P called Chimcher Box in a corner. See? Are you there? Are you there just jokes? Big request to the man called Jawais. The group called Home Team 4. Second man, ever passing, no worry. Seeing. You know Dreadlock. Lyrics, lyrics, the lyrics begin. 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 Lyrics, 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 the lyrics begin. Lyrics, 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 the lyrics begin. Lord, me near reggae, but me come to star up the ring. Conscious lyrics that are when me I go fling. Lyrics when me got come, me say lyrics when me bring. This is not a deal, this is not a bargain. Tuku is a youth lad, him always willing. He will do anything for earn 2 shilling. If you want your skin get so good looking, use a fatter boiling water and fling for your skin. For me is a DJ have a quick thinking. Me get up this morning, me start studying. Me love me reading more than writing. Me mother do selling just to make a living. Me grandfather is a man, him love drinking. I respect him living down a St. Catherine. Him plant up yam banana and pumpkin. Down a mall jeweler, when me buy red ring. And down a D&G, when me buy Heineken. And down a arcade, when me do me shopping in. And in a the bank, when me do me saving. Say living as a poor is a blasted sin. Say look on the milk, so we can't buy a thing. Baba Marley, I tell you about the uprising. Lyrics, lyrics, the lyrics begin. Lyrics, lyrics, the lyrics begin. Lyrics, lyrics.
lyrics, the lyrics begin. Lyrics, lyrics begin. Lord, me near reggae, but me come to star up the ring. The conscious lyrics that are when me I go fling. The lyrics when me got come, is the lyrics when me bring. Cause this is not a deal, this is not a bargain. Katuku is a youth lord, him always willing. He will do anything for earn 2 shilling. If you want your skin get so good looking, use a pot of boiling water and fling by your skin. Me get up this morning and start studying. Me love me reading more than writing. Down a margarine now when me buy Red Ring. And down a D&G when me buy Heineken. And down a arcade when me do me shop me in. And in at the bank when me do me saving. Lyrics, lyrics, say lyrics begin. Lyrics, lyrics, say lyrics begin. Lyrics, lyrics, say lyrics begin. Because me wake up this morning searching for my darling. I went downstairs, I see no sign of her. For half past later, yeah, my phone start ringing. I pick it up to one my old doctor friend. It's a son, don't you worry, your girl is dead. I saw her by the tree hanging back her head. So I pack up my things and I went away. I take a little trip down to Central Bay. I did not have the mind to return back home. Cause my girlfriend just leave me alone. Lyrics, lyrics, well come in my copy. See, cause you're big. Come in, so.
Also last one. Also the man says something somewhere. Welcome in, Dan. All black people that say they're not fashion. Big up the number one. All the man says something somewhere. Okay, well, jungle is massive, that's one side. I know some copy there. Now wrap up. Belly belang, belly belang, eh? Baling balang, baling balang, boom! Ribby bang, ribby bing skeng, eh? Baling balang, baling it near. Chat and buffer, some boy a chat and buffer, boom! Chat and buffer, some boy a chat and buffer, eh? Chat and buffer, some boy a chat and buffer. This is not no contest, this is not no raffle, but Maka at the DJ when a boy can't tackle. Come in at the dance, me might look simple. When I make a track, me gather plenty people. A girl roll her head and say this is miracle. The next one I say me chat it honorable. But anything me chat it in a parable. Principle, me want principle. Them most DJ no got no principle. Them come in at the dance and them a broke up buckle. Come round the and shake up the turntable. Just a scratch up the record, bend up the needle. Them lock off the bass and left the treble. Then them started to criticize people. Man I talk about vegetable, they on them table. When we have chat, boy, I fi crumble. The lyrics how we flash, make boy all tremble. Say I'm on a copy a Rasta disciple. I me know about me Bible. Well, yeah, me man, this say Jesus walk with him 12 disciple. He ain't the one we kill him brother Abel. Satan are the one who them call the devil. The lyrics how me flash Rasta know a sample. The nicer than the mango number 11. Me no want a trophy, you can't keep your title. You live a rima or you live a jungle. Just throw away your knife or your long rifle. And come and make me pack up in a jatabernacle. Me ram up a dance with a lot of people. But now me come here to chase me all evil too. Chat and baffle, some boy a chat and baffle. Boo! Chat and baffle, some boy a chat and baffle. Aye! Chat and baffle, some boy a chat and baffle. This is not no contest, this is not no raffle. Maka at the DJ when no boy can tackle. Come in at the dance, we might a look simple. When I me attack, me gather plenty people. A girl roll her head and say this is miracle. The next one I say me chat it honorable. But anything me chat it in a parable. Principle, me want principle. The most DJ no got no principle. Come in at the dance,
don't feel the way. Gotta put breaks, and home team go. Gotta bring in Coco Cheese selection.
Yes, and the man is large and gigantic. Seen, now delicate the man like Junior Steel. Adabo, the jungle is massive. Whole time. Seen, Bubble Thriller still ranking. Lord, hey, we are go dilly 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 dally. We are go dilly 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 dally. Lord.
want. Motorbike, we a go ride motorbike. We a go ride motorbike. A long time ago in a black history, say motorbike lad it used to roll this city. Man it use water gas and me say on battery. It take you over hills, take you over valley. Me jump on a bike, me say me camp on a spree. You should have seen me dolly through Kingston City. From downtown I tell you up to halfway tree. The speed me I do me said about 60. Say in the middle street land a old lady. Cause when she see me Lord, she gets scary. The word from her mouth it was Lord of mercy. We get my bike angle and me dilly dally. Everybody ball out. Say that it is street. Then me dally through cross. Say through jungle. Say through ream and me dally past yard. Say up Orange Street round here a circle. Me hand in a hill go me bike angle. And everybody ball out. Say that's a miracle. Carry bus did a come me dally through the middle. You should have seen me dally round motor vehicle. Are you like the key rocking down really idle? Me ram dancer from all angle, gal. Pull up your face if you're nice looking. Yeah, no, pull up Barry, pull up a niceness. See, you're intelligent. So last day I know, count and job with my confidence. Well, tell us, so right now, I want a commercial one. See, and everybody a ball feet. Now give them in. Big request to Paul from Miami. And the cut off and say, body miss, now you feel use the body miss, now you feel use the body miss. Hey, can't come and dance and you dress up slick. From your foot come straight to your hip. We check out your arm, you have a molly arm fit. People bend up them face and them started to split up. Cause some of them Lord, them just can't stand it. Cause can't come and dance in a pretty costume. You smell molly when you no use perfume. Say that the little time you are gonna look like a goon. Hey, look on the perfume them, you better buy them. Look on the perfume them, you better use them. Me hard, right hard, me nice, house spice. Look here, cashier, chuloso, couscous. Ya fool, you school, hey. Where dead, hey. Hold up your arm if you use the other arm. Now come in, Bobla, next famous singer, go on. Lucas Paul, Chris and Miami and Magdalena Rental. Don't worry, sir, it's safe. Dance, and it's Squidly, it's safe. Lucas and Diggers and the Spotters family. See, Jungle Jesus and all them on there.
Yeah, well, it's a Junior still, I'm style big. Well, Jesus Christ, our friend, you keep your right. Give me light, your vision smile. I never thought that fairy tale would come true. But it got you got when I'm near you. You're a genie in the sky. God, full of wonders and surprise. Oh God, gonna put you my daddy. Wow. You're the one that I've been waiting for forever. Yeah, I'm pouring my love for you. I've gotta keep it going strong. Yes, it's going strong. So if I could, I'd let you fall inside. To shine on you, no matter where you are. So paint those rainbows in your baby chair. Show I love you, God, thinking of you. Write your name across the sky. God, full of wonders and surprise. Oh God, gonna put you my daddy. You're the one that I've been waiting for forever. Yeah, never will my love for you. I've gotta keep it going strong. Yes, it's going strong. I bet you my darling, gotta love you, alright, yeah. See, I bet you my darling, girlfriend. Hey,
Jano Bobla, hey, Ribby bang, skin them call it. My champion, them call me my champion. My champion, them come me my champion. New York and New York, England and England. Barry G and Barry G, super than a super than. Melotopia, Welton and Welton. Josie Wheeler, yellow man and yellow man. Come list the general, a bubble on the version. You count from 10 until you reach 1,000. Cause you not for me friend, me put me watermelon. Boo! Dave, dan a van. Boo! Archie, Rayman. Milk and cheese pan, zinc pan, jump pan. Kingston, Portland. Stand pipe, skate. Come list the general, a bubble on the version. So when me hold them mic, it cause explosion. Them coming, my champion, them coming, my champion. Go on, my champion, them coming, my champion. We'll have playing him a selector. My long jet locks, here come a part 2 style. Them style are so come a road, see? Lord, them call it baby. Yeah. Them call it sparring P, them call it sparring P. Sparring T and we are sparring P. Ringo a spar with Welton Irie. Peter Metro him a spar with Marga Squidly. Melotopy him a spar with the youth called Dicky. Michigan and him a spar with the one Smiley. Tyan and him a spar with Louis Lepke. Rexo, Genie. Brooklyn, Miami. Volcano, Jimmy. Kingston, OG. Shuka Shine and them a spar with General Tree. Super Cat and them a spar with the one early me. Luca Shine and them a spar with General Tree. Boo! Sparring T and we are sparring P. Go on. Sparring T and we are sparring P. Ringo was spar with Welton Irie. Peter Metro him a spar with the brother Squidly. Melotopy him a spar with the youth called Nicky. Josie Wheeler him a spar with the one Charlie. Michigan and him a spar with the one Smiley. Tyan and him a spar with the Louis Lepke. Billy Boy you a spar with a little Harry. Shuka Shine and him a spar with General Tree. Super Cat and him a spar with the one early B. Rexo, Genie. Brooklyn, Miami. Jaro and Jimmy. Kingston, OG. Set down a Santana where you find OG. And in a St. James you find Mobile City. Cornwall, Middlesex and Sorcery. Down a St. Catherine that's enough factory. No say Melotopy, your top celebrity. In a the dance we have culture than here. A Peter Rankin we have Squidly. Boo! Sparring P and we are sparring P. Go on. Sparring P and we are sparring P. All I pull it, me selector. Whoa. Come in, big Squidly ranking.
Wagwan ENT.
Kind of arms house now.
Hold on the stocks, hold on there. Galang the selector, Galang. Hold on the stocks, give me a minute there. What's over in? After that one, yeah. See? Hear them a try that style, yeah. Barry G. Boogie down. What do you hear me now? Cause me say too much gal in me life. Jamana me say too much gal in me. What you hear me now? We kill a sound, what that kill a sound. We kill a sound, what that kill a sound. Elementary, we kill a sound, what that kill a sound. Dimmer, we kill a sound, what that kill a sound. Don't listen to the ranking round the microphone. Stand it dimmer, we kill a sound, what that kill a sound. Say sax is a sound, we have selection. Say sax is a sound, we have selection. But the fucking operator now pay attention.
Lie that there's no riot hill. You got to report to Mr. Barry G. He's so crucial, he's a boss MC. No guy can follow them your style, no. Not touch your style, not touch your style. Not touch your style, not touch your style. You will make it swahili, you will make it swahili.
When it comes to compilation to West Stocks, that's easy for a while, man. Cause you can't test big sound. Big sound, big and broad about hair. Now here comes the combination to when I say in a fashion dreadlocks. No one else can do. But I'm like, I'm gonna try to sing it, you know. I'm gonna try some singing now. Yo.
Why I? No other sound can do like what I do. Why I? We play music for me and for you. Why I? Cause it's a sound with no selection. Yes, it's a sound. It comes and go. It no comes and go. It no comes and go. Why I? Come and say, come on, Wah Dat Disco. It no comes and go. It no comes and go. Why I? Come and say, start school the lesson, let's Wah Dat sound to play. Every night and day. Every night and day. Why I? Every day is like an arrow. Wah Dat sound, it's a good play tomorrow. No other sound can do like what I do. Why I? He play music for me and for you. Why I? Cause it's a sound with no selection. Yes, it's a sound. It no comes and go. It no comes and go. Why I? Come and say, come on. Easy, me selection man. Jump. That's how we do it all the time. Welcome in Django man. Get about.
Well, you know, saying in the Bible, them have best that. See, each and every time all over. But that Wah Dat sound is a sound from Peru, round town, 85. Keep them revive up at Django. Lord have mercy. In the Bible you have Esther. In the Bible you have Esther. You go roll in the team, go to South Africa. The Soviet shoot down the airliner with one Arabian, biggest messenger. It look like every man a fight for world power. World War III just around the corner. Me say the founder for the war, Churchill and Hitler. Mussolini are the one them call the tiger. All over the world you have assassinator. Them kill Kennedy and Martin Luther. In the White House them hide the answer. But we there in Jamaica don't know the matter. All we do bite we one another like mosquito. If the war ever start, fit we to answer. Say blood it and go run like Jordan River. This time when Jah come and no water a fire. So all the leader the nuclear builder. Say Jah and the only conqueror. Me say the America and the father, England and the mother. Queen Elizabeth remind me of Queen of Sheba. America always a spy on Russia. Them set bad example all over. Instead them come together and tackle the matter. What a bam bam when one take over. And probably a one man of the survivor. Say that man was born in Ethiopia. Say every government and president have a messenger. Them attack anything, we cross them border. Them lost a ship and them liquor airliner. So every man is satisfied for them desire. Say that the Django a born entertainer. So in the Bible you have Esther. One, in the Bible you have Esther. You can roll in the team go to South Africa. The Soviet shoot down a airliner with one Arabian biggest messenger. It look like every man a fight for world power. World War III just around the corner. Me say the founder for the war, Churchill and Hitler. Mussolini are the one them call the tiger. All over the world you have assassinator. Them kill Kennedy and Martin Luther. In the White House them hide the answer. But we the in Jamaica live off a matter. All we do bite we one another like mosquito. If the war ever start, we pray to answer. Say blood it and go run like Jordan River. This time when Jah come and no water and fire. So all the leader the nuclear builder. Say Jah are the only conqueror. They are a fully famous selector. Before Papa Django go on it, come in spinners.
Yes, Papa Django. How yourself, boss? Don't know say safe and sound every time. Lower your mind. But we'll sell stock massive. We'll hear them style now. Uncle Daddy Spinners alone can rule them style, you know. Let's take it in, man. Well, don't worry yourself, boys. You're safe every time. Brother. Hey! Oh, them see Mr. Spinners passing. 16 sexy woman chasing me. Want to take Mr. Peanut little life. Can't take no pride from Bonnie and Clyde. The girl and ignorant, them a make feel nice. One back me give it till I out the sight. And because I get into God and bright. So when the man Mr. Peanut 16 seconds, woman chasing me round and round the corner. So run, Mr. Peanut. The pussy them a go. Run, Mr. Peanut. Don't let them get you. Take it down. Low selector, come in back from the so easy.
Come in, Danny Culture.
Easy Django, see? Easy man. Well, I want to dedicate it to all her abuse of them, see? So let's see how it is. Yeah. So we do it cool and deadly, see? Catch it, don't start. Man, right before the hostel is the primary school. Teacher said, "Don't man with that 12-inch rule." The picnic round a box said them a call her fool. Culture than the box and him a cool pan a stool. Peter ranks a mark out a racing pool. Me come in at the dance, now me give them the schedule. Said that early bird man and catch the worm. Me say in a this a dance man we have to stand firm. You know said that the wicked down a hell them a go burn. And when we come a dance we no twist and turn. Because we conquer the Babylon tanker. Till you say we conquer the Babylon tanker. You should have seen me na me big black mafia. Me just a chant it in the hills of Africa. How we see I Vajam Rastabana. Man me nah left Django and me nah left Peter. Cause anywhere we go we are entertainer. We say what that and the only sound me follow. Can you conquer the Babylon tanker? Peter conquer the Babylon tanker.
After me stand up and what that sound this about me got your pipe. Babylon come and say Peter with no right. Them say for the Chris, they must be mad. You come in and they dance and now go like you said. Oh yeah, what? Because under me sense me, under me sense, under me sense me, under me sense, under me sense me, under me sense. Under me sense, me under it. Because me sit down on the tree and with me chalice down me young. Say coach a come, tell me say me mother a come. Me sit down with me chalice, never get up and run. Say one thing my mother understand. Capacity bird me is a ganja man. Me till you catch it bird me is a ganja man. Catch it again, come and sing a what that sound. About me ganja pride. Babylon come and say Peter say you're bright. Them side of the jet. Them say where you from. You must have 2 cents in your town. You know officer, you must be mad. You smoke no cigarette and even shot. Whoa, yeah, whoa, because under me says, me under me says, under me says, me under me says, under me says, me under me says. And now me says, me yard and me says, me plant in me now me sing in a Babylon. Me plant upon the hills and me say on the mountain. Me me now me say run like fountain. Me say me now me say run like fountain. Because and now me says, me yard and me says, and now me says, me yard and me says, and now me says, me yard and me says, and now me says, me yard and me says, whoa. One Chris Ward. Well, he comes and I'm looking shaka chaka, me on my chat dreadlocks. Enough nice all the time, man. Man, come on and say.
Boy, me have a tiny girl and then call her tingling. Teach her fi DJ, teach her fi sing. Me see where me gold chains and me gold ring. She buy a big mansion and slide go bill. We want a big house up a with the girl ring. We want a supermarket up a Brooklyn.
We are the culture.
Mighty, come on and say.
Boy, oh me a tingling. lad, they go half a win. Oh, me a tingling, lad, they go half a win. We visit Hong Kong and we visit Japan. We visit Hong Kong and we visit Japan. She introduced me to her uncle, Mr. Wang. She introduced me to her auntie Mei Chang. She introduced me to her grandfather Lo Lang. Them say, echo my not sing a song, biddy tiki tiki ting, biddy tiki tiki ting, biddy tiki tiki ting, biddy tiki ting ting, biddy tiki ting, biddy tiki ting ting, biddy tiki ting. Boy, boy, and when we come back, lad, enough Magdalene. When we come back, lad, enough Magdalene. But on my way going to Kansas Spring, me book up on a family one, crown me king. They form a circle and put me in a ring. They say, echo mine that you can ride the rhythm. They say, echo mine that you can ride the rhythm. They say, echo mine that you will discipline. Well, teach it for DJ, teach it for sing. Well, teach it for DJ, teach it for sing. Biddy tiki ting, biddy tiki ting, biddy tiki ting ting, biddy tiki ting ting, biddy tiki ting, biddy tiki ting ting, biddy tiki ting. Boy, boy, you should have seen me and feel me don't skin thing. You should have seen me and feel me don't skin thing. In case you never know last in your tingling. In case you never know last in your tingling. She buy a big mansion, Sligoville. We want a big house up with the girl ring. We want a supermarket up a Dublin. We want a supermarket up a Dublin. Biddy tiki ting, biddy tiki ting ting, biddy tiki ting, biddy tiki ting ting. Oh me a tingling, lad, we go half a win. Oh me a tingling, lad, we go half a win. And
We come to part 2, see. How we are, Mr. Blacks?
Yeah, culture. One second crew, every time the King Song call Wah Dat and special position everyone in the area. And hold tight every time. Lord of mercy. Yeah. Oh gosh. Alright. See. Hey. Oh Dan. The Wah Dat type. Oh Dan. Gotta lead them in the hoa. You see, Wah Dat type. Every read them every hoa. You see, because category, what that a category. What that a category when them pull up on the day. When them come in at the dance in them Thailand party. When them tell them crucial black deal with courtesy. What that type of yes. No sound can the boa. No that, no sound can the boa. Why yeah. In another hands yeah. You see, oh yeah, with that tongue, girl, come catch you with that tongue. When you come in at the dance, Johnny blocks a top rock. When them tell them crucial blocks in a silent pattern. When them flash it in a yard, them come to tell the nation, come catch it. Cash and ready, come catch it, cash and ready, you know. Running Johnny blocks, man, dance all steady. Cash and ready, whoa, in a the dance, yeah, oh yeah, cash and ready, in a the dance, yeah. You see, yeah. Oh, that and alright, because jump inside, come catch it, jump inside here. Jump inside, come catch it, jump inside here. Me no ram, me confident, me have been stronger. Me tell them crucial black, don't wet the stronger filler. When them come in at the dance, you have to stamp on the lot. When they stomp it in a dance, you have the ram dance man. Stronger, me stronger. What that stronger than before, oh yeah. Because stronger, me stronger, what that stronger than before. Say no dance man. Can't come to the tower. No one can get high power. Yes, man.
Well, take a blanks. Well, I don't promise selector. Because I want to rule about ya. Every hour said. Well, take a Django. Easy spinners. Take a reggae bomb.
Billy kitty kitting, billy kitty kitting, billy kitty kitting, billy
well, take a Vikings. Long time Vikings are all Spangler, Skull Gang, Pitching Gang, all them style. Said. Well, ready. Lord, who said I want country roads to be black cities? Promise I want country roads to be black cities. Promise I want country roads to be black cities. My name is Cobra Irie, I'm on the lyrics daddy. Me come a dance all cause it's in a style. Do you know say me body full of fantasy? And I in a me voice that enough melody. Walk out the road to be black cities. Repeat it, walk out the road to be black cities. So you mister, to the gasoline tax, make the road road is black. Man a deal like just like a disaster. Say every road block your path that I just pay fire. With sticks, old car and a rubber tire. Say yes, Mr. Kuro man the lyrics lingua. Mr. lyrics loud hotter than any fire. Them a talk about Kuro but the ram dance man. Me say Kuro not the big lad say big baboja. Man the first song me do all of the brown ass one. Like the brown ass walk and the brown ass talk. And the brown ass a chat about them and the bad. But a time come when the brown ass see the man. Them me sat on the style cause they yes a Yankee. When me do the Yankee for the American posse. Like the Yankee I walk out take over. You know the damn got the yardy. Ribbit it and them let you plant the style paralyze market. Like ribbit flash it lots them a take bus it. Say this is a left call it paralyze market. Ribbit we used to drive now we are walking. Styler we used to ride now we are walking. Say yes I Mr. Curry of the lyrics can be seen here. Lyrics are me long lyrics are me. When me flash it in all kind of yes style in here. Lyrics study me and the lyrics study. Almost tell me I go flash pan the one style Lord. Pain over me in here, pain all over me. Pain over me in here, pain all over me. Say pain in me backside, chest and belly. Say pain in me heart, liver and me kidney. When me take a little girl to the yes NCC. When me take her in a dance land in a party. Everybody la dance and a feel irie. Some a water pumping, some a the electric boogie. Some a rocking the lace, some a Asman scabby. Well kids Kuro irie plus it in a style. And a go and flash a next style, yes man you see. But the girls them a go on somewhere. Say yes a young girl them have a new style. Lord God say them a walk and a flash them body. When them breed Lord God say them no have no daddy. Man them want get a boy come from country. You don't want them choose not the big Barry G. Lord not the big Barry G. You carry gun Lord down for your family. Them say Barry G take it back one a Kingston City. Welcome in Django man. About 6 style now one. Well second.
Here come the thing called the Juki Jam. Show me and tell you say. I know it's sure, you don't know so what I try to play all the way. You know, I'm feeling away. Great sound of the all day. Juki jam, this a style of a woman. Juki jam, this a style of a woman. No muggling nowadays in a session. Shots, plastic, shoes, socks and ribbon. The way the data them dress, them attract every man. Them sexy is a shame like them come from foreign land. Me love to see the girl them in the latest fashion. When them walk down the road, them attract for every man. Some girls sexy, them have ambition. Say Mr. Django at the microphone stand. Juki jam, this a style of a woman. Juki jam, this a style of a woman. Some girls sexy, them can't keep one man. Say if you think I like on your Kingston up a one with $100 in your hand. Say whether walk foot and drive your van. And when you get your money's worth, occupation. She coulda tell your bank clerk or civil servant. I don't like the ways of some man and woman. Them go on like them nicer than any other man. Some woman give them man dirty food finyam. That's why me don't love me belly like some craver man. If a girl a try to tie me enough beaten with iron. Say not buy food or the obia man. One thing she can do, it's easy man. Take it down low. You go to hit sound the way all day just like you're on a stage show. Well alright now. And I got some poor boy style, see? I'll show you what I should have played from night man. Lord have mercy. Oh, rebeat me honor, rebeat me elbow, rebeat me honor, rebeat me elbow. You catch cancer, you better put your big toe. But they shoot out na the casino. I'm starring Ranger and Django, and Squidly and him brother Peter Metro. But Wilton, Irie and Ringo. Me say that some DJ say they may kill you with oh. The most cowboy you find them a Mexico. Them drink tequila, say that not Milo. but this is how the shootout go. Ranger go in at the casino, other Milo. And Squidly come and tell him me kill him with oh. The second thing Squidly call Ranger is a screw. And Ranger tell him me string him up like yo-yo. The news reach him brother, and Peter me show. And pity him no Rangers for Red Ringo. Peter go at the saloon, no chest up and a blow. The first shot Ranger boss him start to go. Him run go tell the matter to Ringo. Him say me can't help you go to Django. Me saggle up me asset for the casino. Me silent Ranger and me silent Ringo. Me silent Wilson I will never see Tanto. Me say cool me hygiene, a Peter me show. Today is a shootout of sorrow. You wound the Squidly because him call you crow. A son go tree for your gun you may go. The man we won the casino him name Joe. Say gunshot tick down the casino. The gun Ranger belly fly with Dan Marrow. Say me shoot off the gun belt of a Ringo. Me put him nine head and then me lick him nine toe. Me tell him take him raging Lord and go. You know say that the Django at the star for the show. The girl them Lord them a dance on them toe. Them a wind them body just like a yo-yo. Them a point them finger just like a arrow. When me boil for me soup it a bean cho-cho. Say that the Django say me the bandigo. Say that the Django want make you bad so. The steam fishy honey ladder that the cho-cho. Say that the Django come from inna the ghetto. Say senior school is where I used to go. And strength and poverty is where I used to know. Know that the Django, know the bandigo. Enough of them a say that the Django a wobo. Ribbit me Anna, ribbit me elbow one. Ribbit me Anna, ribbit me elbow. You catch cancer, you better cut your big toe. But the shootout na the casino. Starring Low Ranger and Django. Easy man. And just grease the waist with that tin of Vaseline. See? If you don't have none, just use a Heineken. Great only the man called Bishop Richard Chano. I play by the sound scan Wah Dat. A man called Bishop Richards, you know. Ah, the mercy. Now come up with John O'Can. Do it!
Last night while I was walking to New Kingston.
What happened?
There I met this young lady. Her name was Winsome. Whoa. As we end up talking, I asked her for a date with me. She said, I really like you, baby, but I'm on business, you see. And this is what she said now, COD. On delivery, it's COD. No credit, COD. Cash on delivery, it's COD. That's what she said to me, baby. Oh, baby, yeah.
The sound's gone, what up, you know?
But I had the time to spare.
Man called Danny Culture, Peter Ranks, you know. And I put my Django. And I'm with operator named Chris. And Barry G, them for the one. Easy man.
But you are giving me this feeling, girl. I just can't leave you this way. But she still insists now, COD. On delivery,
consider me. Yeah, you know.
No credit, COD. Cash on delivery, COD. That's what she said to
consider
me,
me. Hey!
Baby.
When I say Jah deliver me, you know.
Baby. Baby. Whoa.
The sound's gone, what I've been on, that's a clam. All the time, you know.
Last night while I was walking to
well, pull up that Bishop Richards, man, Jano. Another one from Grenada, Jamaica. Come in, Peter.
I saw it go, Django all the time. I'm going to tell you them girls stay, man. Grab her eyes of an angel and a heart of a Jezebel. Why? She got the eyes of an angel. She got the heart of a Jezebel. She got the eyes of an angel. She got the heart of a Jezebel. She says she not go keep She says she never keep one man alone. She just a run around girl. Why yo? She just a run around girl. Why yo? She run uptown, she run downtown. Every dance day in a Kingston town. She first go there and a wiggle and around. She's a round girl. Why? She's a round girl. Why? She says she not go keep one man alone. She says she not go keep one man alone. She just a run around girl. Why yo? She just a run around girl. Why yo? She got her eyes of an angel. She got her all of a Jezebel. She got her eyes of an angel. She got her all of a Jezebel. You must settle down, girl. You must settle down, girl. Just stop me running up and down. Just stop me running up and down. Just stop me running up and down. Well, yo, I said I know you when you was so small. I said I know you when you're going to school. But know that you turn a big woman. You won't come from some self on me. She just a run around girl. Why yo? She just a run around girl. Why yo? Well, Chris, chop, knock up the selector. Well, come in, Mr. Singer man. Come here, say you do it, you know. Do it live and direct.
Sickly lad. Last night while I was walking through New Kingston, there I met this young lady. Her name was Winsome. Whoa. As we end up talking, I asked her for a date with me. She said, I really like you, baby, but I'm on business, you see. And this is what she said now. COD, on delivery, COD, strictly no credit, COD, cash on delivery, COD. That's what she said to me, baby. Whoa. I didn't have much money, but I had the time to spare. I said there's nothing really funny, girl, 'cause I will treat you with care. Whoa, I know you got your children and you got the rent to pay, but you are giving me this feeling, girl, I just can't leave you this way. But she still insists now, COD, on delivery.
Wagwan ENT.